Booking a camping stay on any mobile device should be easy. With CampMap, guests open the map from your website or marketing content. Filtering by zone or accommodation type allows them to quickly find what they are looking for. Selecting arrival and departure dates makes it clear what is available. By selecting, more information is presented in the sidebar. The image library is easy to navigate. Further details and amenities provide the guest with everything they need to know to decide to book a stay with you. When the choice is made, our booking connector takes over. It can be configured to send you an inquiry email, redirect to your web booking flow, or create reservations directly in your PMS or booking system API. Make booking a stay on a mobile device a happy experience with CampMap.